In Ramon Magsaysay National High School, there was a group of bullies who loves to bully their classmates named EDJ and Ryan.
Principal, gusto ko nga mag-artista. Ikapoy na tugi eskwela, way alawas hagong pa.
Oh, look who's here! Oh, it's the party boy and his friend. Well. Yo!
Manimpad, kining pobre sa Manila. Magpakyot sa Tagapiba.
What's your problem?
Okay, it's okay. You don't need to fight back.
But they started it.
Yes, come in.
Excuse me, miss. Our classmates fighting in the hallway.
Please bring them here.
So, what station here?
Hey, morning, classmates!
And why is that And you think that is funny, Mr.
No, ma'am.
So then, apologize to Mr. Eddie and Mr. Ryan.
We're sorry, AD and Ryan.